Good morning, students. Let us discuss the Ashoka tree today. Here on the screen, you can see the Ashoka leaves and the inflorescence of Ashoka. Ashoka is an important Ayurvedic herb used mainly in bleeding gynecological conditions. Its botanical name is Saraca indica or Saraca ashoka, and it belongs to Caesalpinidae family. Now the Sanskrit synonyms are Ashoka. Shoka means grief or sadness. Ashoka means one that relieves pain and grief, especially of women. Hem Puspa, flowers are of golden color, that's why it is called Hema Puspa. Tamra Pallava, tender leaves have coppery red color, that's why it is also called Tamra Pallava. Now the vernacular names and Sanskrit synonyms are name in Hindi, Bengali, Gujarati and Marathi. In all these languages, this drug is known as Ashoka, which represents the bark of Saraca indica. In Tamil, it is called Ashogam. Now, classical categorization of Ashoka. Charak Samhita has mentioned this drug under Kasaya Skanda, herbs that are astringent in taste, Vedana Sthapan, herbs that are good in relieving pain. Shashwar Samhita has included it under Lodradi Gana and Bhagavad Rodradi Varga. Classification of Ashoka or the nomenclature of Ashoka leads to the kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Tracheobionta, superdivision Spermatophyta, division Magnoliophyta, class Magnoliopsida, subclass Rosidae, order Fables, family Leguminosae, subfamily is Caesalpinidae. You can write anyone, family or subfamily. Genus is Saraca, species both Ashoka and Indica, both are correct. Now description of Ashoka tree morphology. Ashoka is a beautiful evergreen tree of about 25 to 30 feet in height. Ashoka bark is smooth with transversely ridged and circular lenticels, dark green to greenish gray in color. Ashoka leaves are dark green, alternate, peripinnate compound, stipulate, large and spreading horizontally, 3 to 6 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Here the picture demonstrates leaves of Ashoka. Inflorescence is dense corymbs, flowers orange, sometimes white, and they are fragrant. You can see on the picture the inflorescence of Ashoka. Ashoka flowers. Ashoka has fragrant, bisexual, regular flowers of orange color with 7 to 8 stamens in a large branch. Ashoka fruits are legumes that are smooth, leathery, and flat pods tapered at both ends, having 6 to 8 seeds, about 12 to 20 centimeter long and 5 centimeter in wide. Ashoka seeds are flat, about 1.5 inches long. Here, this picture demonstrates the fruits and seed of Ashoka. Now, let us see the habitat of Ashoka. Ashoka, which is Saraca Ashoka, is a rainforest tree. It is a native of Asia and South America. This tree is originally distributed in the central areas of the Deccan Plateau. It is also found in the western Ghats of the Indian subcontinent, in the center and the eastern Himalayas, and the hills of Khasi, Garo, and Luces. Ashoka is common to all parts of Indian and other countries. In India, it is easily available in West Bengal, Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Meghalaya, as well as our Assam. Distribution is abundantly found in South India, Central and Eastern Himalayas. Now the Ayurvedic properties of Ashoka. Rasa is kasaya tikta, which means the taste is astringent and bitter. Guna is laghu ruksha, which means the physical property is light and dry. Bidya is sita, potency is cold. Vipaka is kadu, that means undergoes pungent taste conversion after digestion, which is pungent or kadu. Now Ashoka effect and doses. Ashoka balances kapha and pitta dosha. Chemical composition of Ashoka. Ashoka bark is rich in tannins, hematoxylin, flavonoids, steroids, saponins, volatile oil, glycosides, catechol, carbonic calcium, iron, ketosterol, and various steroidal glycosides. Ashoka leaves contain various carbohydrates, tannins, gallic acid, and ellagic acid. Ashoka flowers are rich in saracin, saracadin, waxy substances, protein, carbohydrates, and steroids. Ashoka seeds contain various fatty acids like oleic, linoleic, palmitic, and stearic acid. Now, action of Ashoka. The verse here says, Ashoka शीतलः तिक्तो ग्राही वर्ण्यः कषायक शोष अपचे त्रिषा दाह कृमि शोष विष asrajit. This is as per Bhavaprakash, chapter 4, Puspadi Burga, sloka number 44. Ashoka balkala kwatha sritang dugdhang su शीतलतम यथावलं पिबेत pratah tibra asrigdara nashanam. This is as per Chakradatta. Chapter 58, Atha Asrigdara Sikitcha, sloka number 5. Ashokasya tvacha rakta pradarasya vinashini. This is as per Sorhala Nigantu. So, if we see the meaning of it, Ashoka has various important actions on almost all systems of the body. These are as follows. Local actions. When externally applied, it is analgesic, which is painkiller, and antidotal properties. That means it is anti-poisonous. Now, internal actions. Nervous system, when it is taken, it is analgesic. Digestive system, it is astringent and anthelmintic, anti-dyspeptic, anti-thirst properties. Cardiovascular system, it is cardiotonic, hemostatic, blood purifying, and anti-edematous or anti-inflammatory. In reproductive system, it helps in conception, uterine, endometrium, and ovarian stimulation. It's a stimulant. It strengthens uterine muscles and reduces uterine discharge and uterine pain. In excretory system, it is diuretic and lithotriptic. Body temperature, it is antipyretic and has cooling effect. On internal application,